In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Wallet contactless payment issues on Android. If Tap to Pay is not working the way it should, don't worry. In many cases, the fix is straightforward, and you can usually solve it by checking a few important settings on your phone and in your wallet app. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you know exactly what to look for and why each part matters. First, confirm that your bank or card issuer supports Google Wallet and NFC payments. This is an important starting point because even if your phone is set up correctly, contactless payments may still fail if the card itself is not supported for mobile payments. You can usually verify this by visiting your bank's website, checking their support page, or reviewing the card details inside Google Wallet. If your bank has limited support in your region, that can also affect whether the card works for Tap to Pay. Next, go into your Android settings and make sure developer options or USB debugging is turned off if either one is enabled. On some devices, these settings can interfere with the security requirements needed for contactless payments. If you've previously enabled developer features for troubleshooting, testing apps, or transferring files, it's a good idea to disable them before trying Google Wallet again. After turning them off, give your phone a moment to apply the change or restart the device if needed. After that, make sure your phone is not rooted and that it passes Play Integrity or safety net checks. Google Wallet relies on these security checks to confirm that the device is in a trusted state. If the phone has been modified, rooted, or is running software that fails these checks, contactless payments may be blocked for security reasons. If you're unsure, you can use a trusted device security checking app from the Play Store to confirm whether your phone meets the required standards. Finally, remove the card from Google Wallet, update the Google Wallet app, and then add the card again. Re-adding the card can refresh the payment setup and often clears out temporary errors or outdated token information. Before adding it back, make sure the app is fully updated through the Play Store, since older versions may cause compatibility or verification issues. Once the card is re-added, try making a small contactless payment to confirm everything is working properly. If you follow these steps